Senator from the 7th.
Thank you, Mr. President. I would just encourage my colleagues to vote down this bill. I do think that we should trust women and not have the state take our time, have the state Senate convene, and have this legislation to say we're going to force every woman who gets an abortion to have something that is medically inaccurate spoken to them, and then send home to wait 24 hours. Basically, pat them on the head, say, we know you're coming here for an abortion, but we don't trust you. We're going to read you something that is false, that is not written by a doctor, that is something that the doctor who is reading it may not believe themselves, and then usher them out the door and say, we're going to force you to wait 24 hours. It unfortunately fits with the theme of what the state has done with other laws of saying we are going to block access to health care for Wisconsinites. It fits with the policy of not intervening to allow people to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness by putting forward standard things that have been ordered by the health community, like saying that we have masks required, making sure that people get vaccinated, things that are indistinguishably pro-life because they would lead to more people living, not falling ill and dying. But this bill, it just basically, it's demeaning of women. It is demeaning of those who have made this decision already. And I do think that we should be doing more to make sure that we are encouraging people to be able to make their own health care decisions and allowing health access instead of doing this, which is taking off a piece here, a piece there, and making it harder and harder and harder for women to be able to exercise something that is granted by the Constitution and has been upheld by the Supreme Court for over 50 years. So why chip away at something? Let's trust women. Let's make sure that we are following down that path instead of doing this piecemeal approach of trying to make it harder and harder and harder for women to access health care.
Senator from the 25th.